So today I have made a Mors Survival Scarf blanket thingy, which is this. Yeah, if anyone's seen, he's done it. There's a video with a Mors Survival Scarf on YouTube. There's a few of them. Greencraft made a good build video for making a Mors Survival Scarf. So basically it's like a bivvy bag made out of ripstop parachute material. Oh man, what are you doing? Miss, what are you doing? We now have a drown rat. Bloody weirdos. Yes, what do you want? Yeah. Okay guys, so this end, which is the bottom, if you can, Jesus dogs, what is up with you? Right, you can see I've made 2 tunnels through the bottom, so my cord loops around. You see that? So that cord is never going to come out. So it's on both sides. So that is ideal for pegging out on both corners, and also a hammock or a tarp or something like that. Okay. So once that's stretched out, you know, you've got about 1 metre wide. And then the other end, wait for these dogs to come careering into me in a minute. It's a big open bag, like so, with a bit of bug net, and then a draw cord that goes all the way around it. So I can cinch that tight like that. So if I want a bug net, I can stick that on my head, like a bug net. I can still see, and then I can wrap the rest of that around my neck like a scarf, just to keep it all out. Boom. Now, you might laugh and say, oh, you look like an idiot, right? If you've been up on a mountain when the midges are chewing away at your face, right, you will be very, very thankful to have anything that will stop them even a little tiny bit, right? So there's also like a big bivvy bag, so you can get right in it, so you can see the size of it. You can get right in it. You can get in a sleeping bag, cinch this right up over your head, and then you've got that little window to look out of. Yeah, so it's going to be perfect. Yeah, so multi-use. Can you stop fighting? You're a cock. So yeah, multi-use. It's a you know, and super lightweight. Something like that in the bottom of your bag. You know, you're not even gonna. I'll have to weigh it when I get back, because I am curious myself. And then I made a little waterproof bag for it. But it should keep the rain off. I don't know. Be good to have some tests on it, I suppose. But nothing like that's going to happen anytime soon. I'll go and get me coffee now. Let's throw out the dogs. Right, let's pack back on. Oh, such a nice night. This is my take on the Mors Survival Scarf. So we've got a tie out here, and I've stitched it into 2 tubes. So we'll go all up here. And then we've got this bit of bug net, and then the opening at the top. Now, this was a bit of a faff because you had to fold it over, so it doesn't look very pretty, but it works, so I don't really care. The problem with parachute material, it frays, so you need to fold it over, then turn it inside out, and then stitch it again, so you're sealing inside the exposed edge, otherwise it will just shred. Have it as a day hammock, just for going out for a little wander, somewhere to sit in the woods. La 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 la. As a tissue. As a ninja. As a bug net. As a chair. Boo. As a sleeping bag liner. As a rope. A skipping rope. Person. And stink.